Hi. So today we've built in the AI and the scripting components in GenFEA Web. And I've run some initial tests and it's quite exciting. So on the screen you currently see the scripting environment with some predefined scripts in the library, which will grow over time, but just to kind of show you what it can do. So it can actually automate the model development, building your analytical model within the GenFEA environment. And of course, we'll improve on this and add to it, but what's important is that we can now hook that up with the new AI assistant. So this is connected to my OpenAI account with my API key. You can see we're using the latest model there, 5.4. I know 5.5 has been released, but not for API yet. As soon as that's available, we'll hook that in. We also support other providers such as Anthropic and Gemini and Grok and those. But what we'll do here is I've built a very basic Revit model here of a rectangular building frame with some of those grid blocks missing on purpose. And then I've placed it on a sheet, an A1 sheet, and I created a PDF. And what we'll do is we'll feed this PDF to our AI assistant in GenFEA Web. So I'll use the attachment there to attach that PDF. And I'll provide an instruction, say, look at the details and then remodel that for me as close as possible and guess the materials and UB and UC sections to use. And we'll let it run through and we'll see what it does. And yeah, this is not the most complicated model, but there you can see it's developed it really quickly, really easy, no MCP servers, no weird things, directly within the GenFEA Web environment. And I kind of like that. I'm not a big fan of MCP servers. I cannot say why because I don't know. It just feels clunky to me. Hooking it up directly within the application's API makes a bit more sense to me. And it works really fast. You can see it's generated the model. And again, this is not the most complex model with a lot of detail. I know it's fairly simple and rectangular with a few odd elements missing just to see if we can pick up on that. But it's done a pretty good job and obviously we'll improve on this. But it's using computer vision, it's using its intelligence, and it's using the API tools built into GenFEA Web to produce that. Now I'm just running some optimization things and automatically adding supports. I guess I could have asked the AI to do that as well, but it's fairly quickly to do it within the platform. This is pretty exciting. Obviously, we'll extend this to go through an entire workflow, and I'll show you in future videos how we hook this up to OpenAI's Codex and also to Claude Code and other tools. Hope you enjoyed watching. Keep in touch and talk soon. Cheers. Bye.